Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to control volume on AirPods Pro. So if you have an AirPods Pro and you want to use the AirPods Pro to control volume on your iPhone, then here's the video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to control volume on AirPods Pro, all you need to do is make sure your AirPods is in your ear. So, and then once your AirPod is in your ear, go ahead and play anything, or you can just use the AirPods stem straight without even playing a song or music. Then locate the AirPod sensor, then swipe it down. Then you should see your volume control, then swipe it up again gently. Do not press it. So just look at where the volume is popping up on your iPhone. Swipe it down, then you should see the volume. Swipe it up, then you see the volume. This can be used to control musical volume on your iPhone or media volume on your iPhone while using it. So let's confirm this. Open a song or put a code through to anyone. Now go ahead and then play the song. So this is haptic music. So let's use this to increase the volume. You see that? Then use this to reduce the volume. So let's go again. Then to reduce the volume, so you see that? This is the volume here. And then to reduce it, so that is exactly how you can easily reduce or control volume with your AirPods Pro. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.